need a bucket, a 1/4 inch hose, a 5/8 paddle bit. You're gonna need these nipples, you're gonna need a monkey, and you're gonna need something to measure it.
Okay. So here we placed the nipples around the bucket. We tried to kind of even them out. I actually bought 6 of the nipples. We ended up only using 5. We figured it spaced them out about 4.5 to 5 inches each. And it just made it easier. So we can always make another bucket if we run out of places for babies to eat. We mapped out our spots, measured 5 inches each, and used the marker to make a dot, making sure that we kept it on the same line so that one nipple wasn't lower than the other. We decided to make the dot about 2 inches from the bottom rim of that bucket. We kind of figure on maybe a gallon of milk a feeding, or maybe a little more than that. So we just wanted to make sure that we had enough room that the milk wouldn't cover up the nipples, because I don't think that it would seal correctly. So you actually want the nipples above the line of the milk. Once all of the holes are made, we just make sure the nipples fit, and it's kind of a hard job. We ended up helping quite a bit to pop those through. And now Chad's showing you how we measure the hose. We leave the last nipple out to measure the hose to make sure it's just barely touching the bottom of the bucket and it's not all coiled up. And he's going to show you here in a second that it's actually easier to pop those nipples out, stick the hose inside of them, and then put them back in. That's what we ended up doing.
Lambar bucket.
Alright, now we need to go test it out.
See if it works.
Yay! I created milk! Can I have another bowl, Eli?
Can Luke have a go, Eli?
I just started.
Okay. Let him have a go, because we're going to have to do it. She'll only put up with that for so long, and then she's going to kick her bucket.
I'll hold on to it with one hand, because I know she will. She's going to step on it. Now we're pulling the milk in. And we're pulling the milk in. It's getting heavy. Oh, this is It's getting heavy.
This isn't exactly how our normal routine goes. This was brand new to the baby goats, so we made it, and for the purposes of this video, we went ahead and milked their mom and put what she gave us in the bucket just so you could see. But this is their first time, and I think they did pretty darn good. There. She's sucking. She's doing it. Good girl. She got it, finally.
Finally, Julie.
There, I see what going through it, don't you? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment if you have any questions.